it's me, B Davis with the B Davis Hair Care Salon, and I am here with my wonderful model, Tanoa. And she is natural. She colors her own hair, and she colors does a wonderful job all the time. But today we are taking her natural hair, and we're going to give her a nice little updo and show you how to achieve this look without any relaxer. Of course, she's unrelaxed because she has color. But we are using our Influence Leave-In Conditioner, and we're going to show you the steps that I'm going to take to achieve this very simple, yet elegant, yet dope updo. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so what we're doing here is going throughout the back section. I've carved out a top section for the curls going towards the front, the back and the sides. I'm curling with the Marcel irons, using my S3 Shine Spray to protect the hair from any heat damage with each curl section. And then in just a few, I'm going to go in and smooth out those curls and create just a little updo in the back real quick. I'm now using my honey almond control paste to smooth down the edges and the back and to bring this up into a nice little smooth ponytail real quick. And I'm going to use the product to go in and smooth down any flyaways. I'm also going to use some holding spray to keep that in place. Influence's Honey Almond Control Paste is a great way to add some shine, to add some hold without it being stiff. Now I wanted this to be a little bit on the harder side, a little stiffer, a little firmer. So I decided to go ahead and use some holding spray, firm holding spray, to make sure that it stays in place and it does not fall down because her hair is shorter in the back. Just going in with my blow dryer to secure the holding spray and the product in place and smooth everything up, and to make sure that it is nice and neat. Now I'm going in the front and I am curling all of her hair towards the front in a spiral motion with my Marcel irons, doing what we did around the sides and the back, but just bringing everything to the front. Going in, still using my S3 Shine Spray. Now that we've curled all of her hair, what we're going to do is we're going to go in and pick out these beautiful curls. We've smoothed up the back. We've made a little bun in the back with some holding spray using the Honey Almond Control Paste. And now what we're going to do is transform this hairstyle into a beautiful, beautiful, funky yet elegant updo that you can wear anytime, day, night, special event, every day. It's just really cute and funky. Now as we go in and pick these out, it doesn't have to be perfect. They just have to make sure that it's still in formation. Smoothing it a little bit with your fingers. Taking small pieces out just so it's full. As you can see, when we pick these curls out, it's nice and full. We pull them apart. We're not really picking, more so just pulling each individual curl apart so that it'll have some volume. The smaller
pieces, the smaller you pick it apart, the more volume you'll have. Now we're going to go in with our bobby pins, and we're going to position the curls up on the sides just so it gives it more like a mohawk feel to it. And to give it some shape and some definition so it's just not hanging down and hanging low on the sides. Going in with our holding spray just to make sure that, you know, the curls stay in place. Spraying here and there, a little burst. And voila.
So now we have our finished result.
Finishing off with our S3 Shine Spray.
Simple updo, real cute, to the front, hint up, party hair, everyday hair, no hair. See you guys later. Bye.